In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $30 every single hour by simply testing websites online. What is going on, guys? The Cash Kreator is back with another video, and today I've got something really cool for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how you can make $30 every single hour by simply testing different websites on the internet, providing live comments and feedback with your microphone, audio feedback, video if you want to, and simply completing some simple tasks on that website. Okay, it's a really great method for you guys. I can't wait to show it to you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel, leave a like and a comment if you enjoy this video. So let's get right into it. The website I'm going to be showing you guys is called usertesting.com. okay, it is essentially a website where you guys sign up to. Over here you sign up and then you log in and then you request a trial. Okay, so you just do a trial just to show them how you test websites, you know. So it records your screen and it shows them usertesting.com, the way you comment and, you know, the way you give feedback. You put some simple demographic information in after that and you are good to go. You can start getting paid to test different websites. So I'm going to click here, get paid to test, and show you guys this page. As you can see here, it says that you can earn up to $60 for every website that you guys test. Okay, however, there is a disclaimer. It's up to $60, so some of the tests could be $60, but usually the ones that I get paid for are around $10. You know, it's usually lower. Okay, so for every website you can get minimum of $10 every website that you test. Okay, you give live feedback, speak your thoughts out loud, you know, saying, oh, this website is a bit glitchy over here, or this button is not working, so the people whose website it is can understand your feedback and they can improve their website after you've given feedback. Okay, as you can see, here is a video, just short video that's going to show you how it does work, and I'm going to play it for you guys real quickly. Once I've done that, I'm going to show you some endorsements of this website from some awesome sources.
What? I'm not outfitting the whole team.
Is this a joke?
Tired of complaining about bad websites and seeing nothing happen? Don't just complain about the problem, be part of the solution. It's easy. Join our panel at usertesting.com and help make the web a better place. The application process is simple. Complete a short sample test, then provide your demographic information. Once accepted, you can start taking tests that you qualified for. Taking a test is easy. Find a quiet place to record. Read the scenario and tasks carefully and complete them as best as you can. Make sure to speak your thoughts out loud.
So simply after you've done the trial, you've signed up, you just give feedback
as you test the site or app.
What am I doing wrong here? Clicking add to cart. Think that's what I'm supposed to do. When I try to check out, there's nothing there.
Why doesn't it change color? I'd really like to see it change to the color that I click on.
Your feedback helps companies see what things aren't working.
See, as you can see, those people were giving feedback, and the companies
on their site or app, so they can fix frustrating problems.
The companies will learn about the problems that are, you know, going wrong with their website, and they can fix them. That's why it's important for these companies to have website testers like you and like me. Okay. Now then,
if you're ready to be a part of the solution, sign up today.
As you can see, it's a great way to make money. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you some endorsements from these 4 popular websites and newspapers. The New York Times says, you know, get paid to offer feedback on a website, $10 per test. So, you know, they've said, yeah, $10 per test. Lifehack is also saying $10 for visiting a website and providing live feedback. Same thing from Wall Street Journal and the Huffington Post. All of these reputable sources, they are claiming that it's a really, you know, easy way to make money, $10 for simply testing a website. So, you know, I'm doing it, and I think you guys should try it out too. To show you some further evidence, I'm going to go onto Reddit, and as you can see, this person's asked, has anyone got any money from user testing? And if you scroll down, the first answer, you know, this person says he's been using it on and off for a few months. He's not taking it seriously at all, but he's made $80. Okay, and he says it's the easiest money he's ever made. Okay, so why can't you guys make that money? Why can't I am doing it, so I want you guys to do it too. Okay, another person has asked, what are your earnings on user testing, and someone down here simply says $10 per test. Another person says here they don't pay by the hour, like I said, they pay by the test, $10 per test, and it usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. So if it took 20 minutes to complete, and you get $10, that means you could easily do 3 tests in an hour and get, you know, $30. So it's a great way and simple way, easy way for you guys to make cash. So I think you guys should be trying it out. Alright guys, so that is the website, user testing. I'm doing it and I want you guys to try it out too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to this channel, The Cash Kreator. This is The Cash Kreator signing off. Take it easy guys. Peace out.